Today it is Friday the 9th. Friday the 9th, so we have a week and a half till FRC build season is done. Week and a half.
No, sleep till
ship day. Bag day. Bag day.
Wow.
What's a ship day?
We're here at Three Amigos, and I had a Mexican pizza because it's pizza. It's National Pizza Day, because of course you go to a Mexican restaurant on National Pizza Day. It's about that time of the season where you should probably start thinking about your bumpers. If you haven't designed them into your robot yet, you're behind, but you can catch up. This year we changed things up a little bit with the AM1 for You 3 chassis, the kit chassis. It has bumper hardware on it. The hardware should stay on your robot. So hardware stays on your robot, and you unscrew the bumper to the hardware should stay on your robot. That's how we designed it. If you can figure out a better way to use it, good for you. Now there are some different things you can get to put numbers on your bumpers and different types of cloth you can put over your bumpers. We actually sell a regular like Cordura style cloth, and we also sell a slick cloth. Be aware that they act differently. The slick cloth, it might not stick as much as the Cordura when you're driving your robot, but it's also not quite as durable, so it might tear a little bit easier. Just be aware of what you're buying there. Also, we do have some new numbers. We have all kinds of numbers that we stick onto bumpers. Then we have this new number set here, and the design intent here is to have just 2 stickers on each side of your robot. So if your team number is 1, 2, 3, 4, you mark out everything that is not the 1, and then a 2, you mark out all the segments that aren't the 2. We have a full set of blue and a full set of red. So if you're not sure about your team number, just buy these, and then you figure it out. If you're one of those very ambitious, gracious teams that takes a bunch of numbers or a bunch of wood and pool noodles and cloth to like season or week 1, week 2 events, you can also take numbers and you can fix a bunch of people's bumper numbers that are struggling to pass inspection. We made this for you. Bumpers are a thing. And if you need more assistance with bumpers, actually you should look at this anyway. Kelsey Dross on Ponage made a really good manual for those of us who don't know how to make bumpers to help us out. And she put it on Chief Delphi, so thanks Kelsey for doing that. Check out Chief Delphi for I think a 37-page manual. It's a lot of pages. I'm serious, there's a lot in it. I'm sure she talks about all kinds of bumper related stuff. I did notice you guys stop that. The Green Reapers 1735 in their Reapers Digest blog, they posted a cool vision tracking video that shows how they're tracking the cube with some vision. So hopefully they can use that in the match, and they can maybe go find a cube in auto mode after they do their like 5 cube auto mode or something like that. That's what it's good for, I think. Do we have a green compliant wheel update?
No.
And cut.
Game over, yeah.
So we realize that green compliant wheels are a hot thing. We're doing our best to open up orders today. We believe that material is coming in like either today or Monday. So we're probably going to have them open by the time you see this video. If not,
I'm cutting this entire bit out. We're not talking about green compliant wheels at all. Not even a little bit.
Technical
We bought a lot. We sold a lot. There aren't any more left for right now. We're sorry. We'll let you know when there's more. Someday.
No, we do believe they're coming in today or Monday. And we're going to sell some more, and everyone will be happy, I'm sure. So have a good weekend. Hopefully you'll make a lot of productivity on your robot, and you'll get it driving, and you'll break it. Oh yeah, the Break Your Bot contest is still on.
We got a gold
so
cube.
we do have a golden cube. It is majestic. It's very impressive. A golden cube, kind of like the golden snitch. It's hard to catch it, but we have it. And
when's the due date?
The due date would be
ship day,
because if you break
bag
it,
day. It's bag day. It's bag day.
It's bag day. It's the bag ship day.
Bag day.
So due date for Break Your Bot is bag day, because if you break your bot after bag day, you're doing it wrong. Yeah, you need to break it now. Anyway, break stuff, be safe, have fun. We'll see you next week.
Do 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 do.
How about somebody just call me?
Is that an anti-gravity chip?
I think it's a chip on my shoulder.
You just like you clip the audio.
I have a good audience. You guys are very, very kind to me. But I admit it, man. Popped over there.